I'll be certain this time.
Go ahead.
Alright. Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Ikowski, and I'm going to show you how to make a fruit tart, which before you cook it should look just like this. What you'll need are some apples, thinly cut with a paring knife and an apple core, a sheet of puff pastry, which you can get in the frozen section and of your average supermarket. You'll need to poke holes in that piece of puff pastry after cutting it, and put the apples in, crimp the sides up, and then take this kind of a brush and dab some apricot jam, which you can warm up in a microwave so it's nice and dabbable, onto the whole thing. And put lots of it on there because it tastes good and it makes it shiny and look very nice. And looking nice is always good. Now, you need to have your oven at 400 degrees. Mom. And take the baking sheet over. I'm going to use oven mitts because it's going to be difficult to get this in without putting it down. We have the oven mitts right over here. If you're using a baking sheet that isn't made of cast iron, then you probably won't need the oven mitts. But considering this is so heavy and rather difficult to put down, I need oven mitts. Now, as I said, you want your oven preheated to 400. 400 is incredibly important. It makes it puff very much. And you want your puff pastry to puff. That's rather important, isn't it?
How long?
You have to put it in there for about 30 minutes, or 15 to 30 minutes, somewhere between there, till it's about golden brown and puffy, and the puff pastry is no longer soft. You don't want it to be soft. You want it to be nice and hard. Afterwards, take it out and let it cool in the fridge for about 4 hours. And that's it, and you should have a very nice, tasty puff pastry at that point.